హైకోర్టు విభజన జాప్యంపై లోక్ సభలో మరోసారి దుమారం రేగింది. హైకోర్టు విభజన ఆలస్యానికి చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు, వెంకయ్య నాయుడు కారణమని విమర్శలు గుప్పిస్తున్న తెరాస ఎంపీలు సభలోనూ అవే వ్యాఖ్యలు చేశారు. దీనిపై తెదేపా ఎంపీలు తీవ్ర ఆగ్రహం వ్యక్తం చేయగా తమది ప్రాంతీయ పార్టీ కాదని పార్లమెంటరీ వ్యవహారాల మంత్రి వెంకయ్య నాయుడు తీవ్రంగా స్పందించారు. ఈ క్రమంలో సభలో లేని వారి పేర్లు ప్రస్తావించడం సరికాదని స్పీకర్ నచ్చజెప్పారు. హైకోర్టు విభజన అంశం హైకోర్టులో పెండింగ్లో ఉందని, న్యాయస్థానం నిర్ణయానికి అనుగుణంగా చర్యలు తీసుకుంటామని న్యాయశాఖ మంత్రి వివరణ ఇచ్చారు. ఈ విషయంలో ఎలాంటి రాజకీయాలకు తావులేదని ఆయన స్పష్టం చేశారు.
State government and High Court take decision on all relevant aspects and necessary infrastructure is made available. The central government will take immediate steps to issue the notification under the relevant provisions of law. The government has already addressed the Chief Justice of High Court and the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh to take necessary steps towards the creation of the separate High Court for the state of Andhra Pradesh. A public interest litigation PIL number 59 of 2015 was filed in the High Court of Judicature at Hyderabad on the issue of setting up separate new High Court for the state of Andhra Pradesh. The High Court at Hyderabad pronounced its judgment order on 1st May 2015, directing the government of Andhra Pradesh to identify and locate the site where the permanent High Court of the state of Andhra Pradesh would be constituted in the territory of Andhra Pradesh. It is also directed the state government to take a decision on the question of allocation of funds and thereafter release if the allocation is made to incur the expenses for creation of the permanent High Court. The court also requested the Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Chief Justice to take a decision in consultation with each other to finalize the issue of setting up of the High Court building, administrative building, residences of the honorable judges and that of the officers of the court and staff quarters as early as possible, preferably within 3 months from the date of the communication of the order. Meanwhile, the ASG Additional Solicitor General at Hyderabad has communicated that a review petition was filed by the state of Telangana, by the state government of Telangana on the above court orders. ASG has also informed that the next hearing of the case is on 14th August 2015. The matter is sub judice in the High Court.
Nothing new has been told by the Honorable Minister. In the medias and the papers, everybody are saying that Venkaya Naidu ji or Chandrababu Naidu ji दोनों मैडम जो
मीडिया और इसकी चर्चा नहीं यहाँ करे आप फैक्ट्स एंड व्हाटएवर
मैं गलत नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. गलत है तो आप निकाल दीजिए. अगर गलत है तो आप निकाल दीजिए. जब हमारे पार्लियामेंट अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर को आपत्ति नहीं है और हमारे होम मंत्री जी को आपत्ति नहीं है, हमारे जेटली जी को आपत्ति नहीं है, हमारे यूनियन लॉ मिनिस्टर को जी आपत्ति नहीं है, तो आज इसको क्यों टाला जा रहा है? This is not at all a government sub judice thing. Is only the region item for which we have already put a review petition on that. So मेरा request आपसे ये है कि इसको this is a political decision which has to be taken and it can be done within one night. हमारे पूरे MPs लोग जो है वहाँ पर खड़ा रह के अपना कष्ट ले रहे. इतना हम कष्ट लेने के बाद भी गवर्नमेंट को जो है बैड नेम आएगा, खराब नाम आएगा, राजांग का आप उल्लंघन कर रहे हैं. मेरा रिक्वेस्ट आपसे है कि ये छोटी सी मैटर के अंदर में आप दखल दीजिए and tell the minister this is a political decision which has to be taken and it has to immediately be rectified, madam.
Review petition has been filed by the Telangana state government because that judge had challenged the jurisdiction of government of India, sir. You had to, in fact, government of India had to file the petition, whereas we filed the petition, sir. We want to uphold these institutions. But you are not cooperating with us. It is a political issue. Mr. Chandrababu Naidu will never wants to rule the Telangana state through the High Court.
No,
he will never
not be there. No allegations. No allegations to anybody. No name
High Court, madam.
No allegation. I am sorry. Kavita, this is not fair.
Madam, union government has to protect the rights
of
Telangana, madam.
Say whatever you want.
You have to support us, sir.
Yes,
union cabinet needs to take a decision.
I totally disagree with the view expressed by my learned colleagues because no political decision will be taken by this government as far as the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act is concerned. Whatever is there in the act, we are committed to implement the same thing.
We are Indians, and we are also mature enough to understand what are the problems of this region, that region. And I am not a regional party. We are a national party. I am proud of being a national party. Regional parties has its own place, and national parties also has got its own place. My point is very simple. This is an emotive issue. We should not rake up emotive issues. We should not politicalize also. We cannot take the names of the people who are not here to defend. The issue is, how do you go about implementing what has been promised in the Act? There is a practical problem the entire House and country must understand. If you have to locate a High Court in a particular place, it will take some time. The Telangana government itself is coming forward to say that the Andhra Pradesh High Court can be situated in Hyderabad for some time till alternative arrangements are made. That as in the case of the state capital of the Andhra Pradesh being in Telangana as of now along with other institutions. That's a very meaningful suggestion. So, but this issue has to be clinched again before the court where a petition is pending. I only request the minister, I will be requesting the minister, is my colleague, saying that this suggestion also can be placed before the court, and then at the end of it, we must get a satisfactory resolution by the court, because we should explain to the court also the practical difficulties in adhering to the court order that was given, saying that you go and locate the court there as per the Act and all. This is an arrangement, transit arrangement, temporary arrangement. We can work on those lines.
Each and everything, they are drawing the name of my chief minister who is not available here. Even aunties died in Telangana.
I said already.
That is not right. And we have some reasons.
Yes.
No, ma'am. No, we have section 8, 9 and 10 where it is to be implemented and discussed by both the governments. Recently, as early as 15 days back, almost 1,500 employees have been removed. They have been discharged from the duties. And they are not in Andhra Pradesh or Telangana. How to survive? They are not getting salaries. Whatever the decision that comes from the court, we are prepared to obey, and we will see that at the earliest, the central government is committed to see that at the earliest, that High Court needs to be bifurcated. The procedure and other things has to be taken care of.